As a football player, I've dealt with a lot of pain. I've dislocated a shoulder, broken my collarbone, and pulled a hamstring. But as a werewolf, I've had to deal with a lot worse.
Okay, let's have a look here. Oh yeah, your wisdom fang's coming. It's impacted. We're gonna have to pull it.
Huh?
Guys, think maybe I should go see a regular dentist on this one?
I doubt your parents' insurance covers wolfodontia. Spit.
Oh, God.
Good point, Hygienist Baxter. Now come on, Tommy, I'm giving you the best deal in town, okay?
No.
Good. Okay. Open up!
Did you get it?
No, but it got me.
What?
Tommy, you bit me.
You know what's good for bites? Aloe vera.
Oh, yeah.
Tommy, this is Werewolf 101. Tommy bit me. Guys, I'm gonna be a werewolf.
I used to own this town. Now it's all turned upside down. I wish I could figure out. Do you think it's just a phase I'm going through? Just a phase I'm going
What are we gonna do?
The same thing we did when you bit me. We get Merton some wolfsbane.
So, what? We just rub you down with it, or what?
Tommy, wolfsbane isn't a marinade, okay? It's an antidote. See, my bloodstream needs it to create antibodies to fight off the wolf virus. Otherwise, you know.
Merton, the transformation's already starting. Your ear, it just went wolfy.
It did? Was it bigger than Tommy's? Did it droop? Was it hairy? I hope not. This is so cool!
No, Merton, this is not cool at all, okay? You've got to take some wolfsbane before the next full moon, or the transformation will be complete.
Yes.
But
No.
how?
If Merton...
So you want me to
Do it.
This guy.
All students, please report to room 17. All students.
So, anyone know what this assembly's about?
Monsters. I am Dimitri, the exterminator. I exterminate monsters. You hear of Balti, the Balti Slavobog monster?
No.
Then you hear of Kuzi, Uzbekistan sea monster.
No, I thought it was... No.
Well, I catch him.
So, what brings you to Pleasantville?
I came to Pleasantville to exterminate werewolf.
I think you'd have more luck catching the tooth fairy. I mean, there's no actual proof that the Pleasantville, how'd you call it, werewolf even exists.
You want to prove, Mr. Smart Pants?
If I'd care for a smidge more personal space. Breath mint?
No thanks. I'll give you proof. I believe a werewolf is a student. Right here. Maybe he's here today. And if he is, I got one thing to tell him. Watch your butt.
You're up.
Oh, yeah!
I saw that.
Beg pardon?
Footfalls. Deduct the points.
What, deductive points? Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Merton. Did your eyes just glow?
Girls often notice a certain sparkle in my eyes, but glow? Unlikely.
Did you just growl?
No. I've a throat tickle. I'm gonna go ask that girl for a lozenge. Look at her.
Merton? Merton?
Scared you.
What are you doing here?
I always come here to wait out the full moon.
Oh.
What are you doing here? It's midnight.
I know this sounds crazy, but I'm sure I saw Merton's eyes glow today, and when I asked him about it, he growled.
Really?
Yeah,
Maybe you didn't take enough wolfsbane.
maybe.
When you get home, well, it's time to take some more.
It's too late for that, Tommy. Because as of 3 minutes, 27 seconds ago, I became a full-blown, bona fide, red-blooded Welsh American werewolf!
Merton, how is this even possible? I mean, we saw you take the wolfsbane. Why didn't it work?
Lori. Things are not always as they appear to be. You thought I took wolfsbane, but in actual fact, I took some oregano.
Merton, what are you thinking? You know that all werewolves are evil.
Yeah. Except for me.
Yeah.
I mean, even Lori was evil.
Hey, Tommy, Lori's always had a mean streak. But me, I'm good. Take a gander at the Dingle family tree. You'll find butchers, bakers, and yes, even candlestick makers. But what you won't find is evil. See, look at me. I'm still the same old Merton, just a little wolfier.
He does have a point, huh? If anyone knows anything about wolves, it's definitely Merton.
That's me.
I don't know. I think he might be able to handle it.
And here's the kicker, Tommy. Now we can be the werewolf duo we've always wanted to be. All right, now you lay down a bass line, and I'll chime in with a little sweet wolf harmony.
All right, here.